So, getting ready to mow the property. I got about 3 acres of land that I mow, and a lot of shrubs and bushes, so the zero turn comes in really handy, and that 60-inch deck is really nice. I would say if you have over an acre and you don't have any gates you have to go through, get a 60-inch deck. It's well worth it. Saves a lot of time. So this is my second season with the Cub Cadet Ultima ZTX4 60-inch deck. It's a good machine. Doesn't have any suspension on it though, not even a suspension seat. So I've got kind of a rougher yard, not like a golf course. So this thing kind of jolts me quite a bit when I'm mowing. So it does get the job done, but I think maybe next spring, after this season of mowing, I might go ahead and upgrade to something that's got some suspension on it, and also a little bit heavier horsepower engine. This one has a Kohler Pro 24 horsepower engine on it. Again, it gets the job done, but it does bog a little bit when you get into high damp grass. So I think I am going to look at upgrading next spring, but for this season, I'll go ahead and finish it out with this one. Well, time to crank her up and get to mowing.